Hello and welcome. Today I show you how easy it is to make fresh orange juice at home, but not this way. Okay, this kind of machine is pretty universal. You can have even manual machines that do this, and all you need is fresh oranges or grapefruits, and yeah, you know how to use this machine. It's not about showing you how to use the machine, but just reminding you that it's very easy to just do this, and then you get fresh orange juice that you can drink immediately, and you know it's 100% orange juice because you just made it. And if you make it, it's up to you how much you do it, but watch what happens. By mistake this thing turned a bit to the left side on the screen and I spilled it, but okay, just should unplug it and just clean it up a bit if that happens to you. It's because I was trying to record and do this at the same time and got confused a little bit. So you just do it and squeeze from the sides also. I like to squeeze from the sides so it gets all the juice out. And you can, the nice thing is to mix grapefruits with orange juice, that's even better. And just be careful when you cut it, so you know. And yeah, the way you cut it is through the middle, so you get it like this. It's much easier to juice them this way, I believe. And when you see that the glass gets full, it's ready. You put another glass, or you can just drink it. Just trying to show you some closer view. This looks pretty nice. You can drink this or make it disappear with magic.
Oh yeah.
If you want more, just make more. So you can make as much as you like, and this is a grapefruit. Grapefruit is even more juicy, you can make more juice out of it. When you do the grapefruit, make sure you squeeze the sides, because that's a sort of juice there and you don't want to waste that. And it's really nice for breakfast, and it gives you a bit of energy for the day or even for lunchtime, why not? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this and click the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.